हा आहे संत तुकारामांच्या विटेवरी दृष्टी या अभंगावरचा झटपट आढावा. तर आपण बोलतोय 17व्या शतकातले आपले महान संत कवी संत तुकाराम.
This is the brief on Sant Tukaram's philosophy of devotion and simple living. So, who was Sant Tukaram? Well, he was this really important Marathi saint and poet back in the 17th century.